everyone and welcome to today's video. This is the last video that I will be uploading in the year of 2021. It has been a journey. I didn't really upload anything, but it has been a journey. Literally, I'm just here to do my makeup and get the fuck out. So I'm going to teach y'all how to do like a nice, cute, sexy, gotta use that adjective. I'm just doing a makeup tutorial for the new year. This is just a like champagne inspired makeup tutorial. This is for all you people that are going out to a nice small gathering, a nice socially distanced fun event, or just chilling at home with your roommates, because that's probably what I'm gonna be doing, because I'm not about to go to like a big crowd or a bar. This is inspired by all things gold, all things champagne, because you know champagne, you pop the thing on New Year's, so like that's kind of like what my inspiration is going for. My eyebrows are on, my face is on, and I'm literally ready to get this started. So let's just get to the makeup because that's what y'all came here for. So I'm gonna go into the Parados Beauty palette, which is one of my favorite palettes that actually came out in the whole entire new year. Honestly, I should have done a makeup video where it's like using my favorite products of the new year, but the thing is I only bought this product. So I'm like, this is all I got. This is the only makeup product I got this whole year. So, and I'm going into this shade right here from the Parados Beauty makeup palette. I am just taking this brown shade on a nice fluffy brush, and then I'm going to just blend it out. Okay, now that that shade is put down, it literally kind of looks like I did nothing. So we are going to try to darken it a little bit. I am gonna go into this shade right here, which is this nice kind of like orangey brown shade, and just take it on the same brush. And I'm kind of doing like a little smoky eye. So we're gonna try to keep it closer to our lash line and not so far out, but you know, just blend it together and make it look really nice. I'm now going to be taking an M433 brush, and I'm gonna go into this very nice dark shade right here. So I'm just gonna put it closer to my lash line and a little bit on my lid, because we want our eyes to look like it's going from light to dark, and then we're gonna get even darker, but we're building it up. We're building up the drama. Bring the drama. Now that we have that set down, we're gonna go into my other favorite makeup palette, which is the Morphe 25L palette. And I'm gonna go into this shade right here called NYC, which is this really nice black shade. I'm gonna go into the Morphe E36 brush and just dip into NYC. I'm gonna put it as close to my lash line as I possibly can, and then I'm going to blend it out so it looks like I have eyeliner on, but I actually don't because I'm too lazy to do eyeliner today. Now that I have that black on my eye, I'm gonna go back into the brown shade from the Parados Beauty palette. I'm gonna go into the M139 brush and go into that brown shade. And now I'm gonna try to blend out the lines between the black eyeshadow and the dark brown eyeshadow, just so it's a little bit more seamless and it looks like it's a little bit more smoky and it's like this instead of like this. That's like the best way I can describe it. Just do your thing. So I'm gonna go into the Parados Beauty palette. Once again, I know I like keep on using this palette, but I literally am obsessed. I am obsessed. So I'm gonna go into this little golden shade right here, which kind of reminds me of like champagne. I guess it could be champagne if you want it to be. But I'm just gonna dip in with my finger and then put this more towards the middle part of my eye and do the same on this side, and then we'll be done with the eye. So now that I am mostly done with my eye, I'm just gonna take a minute off camera and like do my face, as in like my contour and all that stuff. And then I will come back and we will finish up this eye look together. So I am back and I have my wig on, I have the rest of my makeup on, and I look good. I haven't worn this wig in a really long time, so it's just kind of funny to see me in it again because I'm like, wow, like she doesn't look that bad. Like she needs to like get a little treatment, get a little love, but she doesn't look that bad. We are not done. We are going to do the last and final step, and arguably one of my favorite steps is putting on lipstick. I love lipstick. We all know I love lipstick. And for this look, I think I'm gonna go, so I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in the shade Spice. And I'm just really gonna put this on my lips. Like, you don't need an explanation on how to put on lipstick, but you can watch me put it on. Because okay, weird like thing, I love watching people put on lipstick. Like, I just am like, ooh, yes, you put that thing on your lip. I don't know why, that's just me. But that's just because I'm also obsessed with lipstick. Like, I love like a bold lip, bold lips, iconic. But yeah, just gonna put this on and then we'll be done with the look. Oh shoot, I forgot to do one thing. I almost forgot to do my under eye, so let's go ahead and do that. So I'm just gonna do my under eye. I'm gonna make it really simple. I'm just gonna go back into the Prados Beauty palette. I'm gonna go into the orange shade right here that I used earlier on my crease. And I'm gonna go into the M213 brush, and I'm really just gonna put this on the under eye, or what? You know, just the under part of my eye. I just, right there, just under the eye. Not that hard. Okay, and to top everything off, I'm gonna go back into this gold shade right here, and I'm gonna put this in the middle part of my eye, just so I can make it pop, because you know, I don't know, I feel like it's not popping enough for this glittery dress, and I want it to kind of match this like feeling or this vibe. The constant need to be extra is taking over my body, and I just need to go in with the Sailor Moon gloss, which is Sailor Moon from ColourPop. But I'm just gonna put this on my lips and, you know, just look good doing it. So go do that. Go get some lipstick. Interesting enough, I feel like a lot of drag queens don't like lip gloss, especially like when performing, because you don't want it to smear across your face. And I totally get that, but I don't perform or do anything of the sort. So I'm like, bring on the lip gloss, because I'm literally just a woman sitting in my house doing makeup. The lip gloss is on, and honestly, I am loving it. I don't know why, but like I said, I've just been on a lipstick and lip gloss kick. Like, I love lip gloss. And this one smells good. Like, it smells like vanilla or something, I don't know. Or maybe it just smells like processed stuff. But I like that either way. Like, processed cheese, that shit smacks. Sorry, real cheese. What am I even talking about at this point? What am I even talking about? But yeah, this is pretty much it for the makeup look. Why did I talk like that? I don't know. This is my completed New Year's makeup look. I look good, but not only that, I feel good. And that's kind of like the feeling that I want to go into the new year, is just feeling good. Feeling good about myself, feeling good about what I'm doing. Like, you know, like positive vibes for the new year. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you had as much fun as I did looking all dolled and glammed up. I also like how my boobs shine. Like, when I turn this way, then turn this way, like, give me the shimmer. Like, oh, when I do that, they shine. I love crushed velvet. Like, I'm sorry, but crushed velvet is like so cute. Thank you for making it to the end of this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If you did not like it, that is probably because you had a terrible year and you are not excited for next year. And that's valid. Do that. But don't, you know, if you keep on having that same mindset, like, how are you going to change that mindset? I don't know. I'm really bad at being like inspirational, so don't come to me for like inspiration because I'm not the bitch. Don't forget to go down to the links below where you all can see links to all of my other videos. There is always something fun down there, so just go check it out. I'm even going to be reacting to myself last year. That makes no sense. I'm gonna be posting a video of me reacting to myself from last year. And I'm just gonna roast the shit out of myself because, you know, we all need a good roast. We all need a good roast. If you can't roast yourself, how are you gonna roast somebody else? Amen. And last but not least, do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video, which I'm assuming is right here, but it could be right there. I never know. But yeah, bye. Mwah.